everyone, welcome to my channel again.
If you haven't already subscribed to my mom's channel, please do.
We are on summer break in Atlanta and we are in the kitchen a lot. So today is a very hot day and Amy wanted to make a healthy muffin recipe. It is gluten-free and they are chia seed muffins. Amy's going to tell us the ingredients.
Okay, so you would need chia seeds, tapioca flour, baking powder, honey, almonds, almond butter, and 4 ripe bananas.
And that's why we decided to make this recipe this afternoon, because we have 4 very ripe bananas. We have started by putting some fresh almonds into my blender just to crush them. You only need 1/3 cup, so we've started with that. And we've put our 4 very ripe bananas into a bowl. We're about to mash those. The rest of the recipe is super easy. Enjoy and we will give you the end results. Okay, so we mashed our 4 bananas and we added our almond butter. It was 1 cup of almond butter, which is quite a lot. We as a family are addicted to almond butter and absolutely love it with everything, so it's going to be really delicious. It gets quite mushy and a bit sticky, but that's the fun part for the kids. Now what we are going to do, Amy, you're going to add the tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. And then our next ingredient is the chia seeds. Apparently I say it wrong here in America, it's chia seeds. These are from Karen Berrios, organic chia seeds, really delicious. We use them in our smoothies too. Super healthy, high in antioxidants. These are a great source of omega-3s. And we are all needing additional omega-3s in our diet. So we add these to our smoothies and as many recipes as you possibly can. Non-GMO, these are gluten-free, vegan, BPA-free, so that's why.
We added them with our breakfast chai oatmeal.
Yes,
Chia.
we did a previous YouTube on the breakfast that we love using the same chia seeds. So a firm favorite for us. So Amy's added the tapioca flour. Have you added the chia seeds yet? Can I do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much do we need?
2 tablespoons.
So 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour.
Yep. Okay, so Amy's going to add our final ingredients. 2 tablespoons of honey.
Okay.
The ground almonds, and then a teaspoon of baking powder. So our almonds weren't ground enough. I want them to be ground a bit more, so I'm just going to quickly do that in the blender. I think we are ready to put them in our muffin pan. So Amy's prepped our muffin pan and the mixture needs to stand for 5 to 10 minutes before putting in the muffin pan and then into the oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so we let our mixture sit for 5 minutes. We have greased with a bake spray our muffin tray and Amy's gonna pop them in and pop them into the oven. Yay, they're ready! Okay, so we finished making our muffins. Amy and I felt like a real nice cup of rooibos tea with our muffin. We already tasted half of a muffin and they are delicious. Well done, Ames. And the result is this. We love the crunch of the almonds, the ground almonds inside these muffins. Really adds a lovely texture to the muffins.
And it kind of tastes like banana bread, but the almonds like give it a different flavor. Almost.
And the almond butter gives a lot of moisture to the muffin. You could add a little bit of cream cheese or butter or cream on top. That would be completely optional. But we're going to go and sit outside and enjoy our cup of tea with our lovely chia seed muffin. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.
Bye.